To make your Blackboard course available or unavailable, you need to sign onto your Blackboard account. You can access your Blackboard account through MyUNBC or by typing the URL blackboard.unbc.edu. Once you're in your Blackboard account, enter the course that you wish to make available or unavailable. On the left side underneath the control panel inside your course, click on Customization and then select Properties. Under Set Availability, you can select Yes, No, or Use Term Availability. The term availability, depending on your term, will appear, and you can choose which of the three you would like to use. Once you're done, you can click Submit, and you'll receive a notification at the top of the screen letting you know that your settings have been saved.